I get it. We all think inflation is bad here in the US. We're like, oh yeah, 8%, that's horrible. Okay. Gas prices are high. The price for goods is high. When I go to the grocery store, I pay twice as much for food now. Vehicles have gone up a ton, right? We all say that these things are bad, but you need to keep something in mind. The US does not have it the worst. Okay, there are countries right now that are experiencing inflation at a far worse rate than we are here in the US. Now, cryptocurrency has been a great solution for the times that others are facing. It's given a sense of some stability in recent times as inflation has run wild in other countries. Now, this YouTuber Patrick, also known as Dynamo Patrick, actually posted this image, and it shows in the 10 highest inflation rates around the world. And these may actually astonish you. Okay, Zimbabwe tops the list at 255% over. I believe this is over a 12-month period, but this is for the month of November of 2022. Lebanon is second, October of 2022. Venezuela, October of 2022. Syria, August of 20 is 139%. You can see the list goes on. But these, the inflation here in the US pales in comparison to what some of these other countries are facing. Now, if cryptocurrency was not an option in these countries, people would be absolutely wrecked. Okay, if you held your value in the local currency, you'd be absolutely wrecked. The chances are you may not be able to afford really anything. Now, cryptocurrency isn't the only solution for, everybody. Obviously, people, buy land, they buy precious metals, all these sorts of things. But cryptocurrency is an easy, accessible solution to this. Between stable coins, obviously there's a lot of options in crypto when it comes to, chains and meme coins and all these sorts of things. But as we move forward in time and get into the next bull market cycle, a lot of the people who have taken up a stronghold in crypto are going to see the fruits of their labor really come to fruition, right? Now, this is an ever-changing statistic, right? Whether there is some sort of relief in sight for these other countries, I don't know. But this is why ClearCryptos is a must need in this space. Between the accessibility, between the ease of on-ramp, okay, the fiat on-ramp that is accessible through ClearCryptos. Somebody needed to step in and really create this solution. And ClearCryptos is doing this. This is a time where cryptocurrency is in fact needed, right? It's not just, something that you go to try to put your money in and hopefully get some returns, right? It creates a sense of stability for those who really need it. And we can see here on the list of countries that I have next to me, these are some of the places that right now need cryptocurrency the most. So that's all I really got for you guys in this one. Appreciate you as always. If you haven't already, do show your support for the channel. Here, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. That way you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a great day. Really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.